Welcome back to Algebra 2, Chapter 12, Section 3. In this book, we're talking about statistics and in particular probability. And what we're talking about you had in pre-algebra and algebra 1 and geometry, if you had me. So this is going to be easy. So probability is the number of favorable divided by the total number of outcomes. So we're going to flip a coin. Call it in the air. Heads I win, tails you lose. Heads I win. Okay, and so there's one favorable outcome, but the coin has two sides. So there's two total outcomes. So the probability is either said to be 1/2 or 1 to 2, you read it that way, or 50% or 0.5. All of those are ways that people report probability. So you have dice, but the book doesn't call it dice, they call it a gaming cube. You have a gaming cube. A gaming cube has 6 sides. What is the probability of rolling a 4? There's only one side that is favorable out of 6, so it's 1/6. What's the probability of rolling an odd number? Well, you got 1, 3, 5. There's 3 of them out of 6, you reduce it to 1/2. What is the probability of it being less than 7? They're all less than 7, so it's 6 out of 6 or 1, or you can say it's 100%. It's a sure thing. Okay? And C, so now using some of our other skills we've learned earlier in this chapter, we can apply them to this. A CD has 8 songs that it has 8 songs. You put your CD on shuffle, and what is the probability that they will play in the order of the CD and not shuffle it? Well, there's only one way it can do that, but the different ways that the songs can be is 8 factorial 8, which is, do it on your calculator, remember I showed you how, and it's that. So not very likely. Okay? What's the probability that 2 of your 4 favorite songs will play first in any order? Well, this is, whenever it says in any order, you want C, not the P. The P is if it's an order, the C if it's not. So we have 4 songs in any order, and they're favorites, and we want 2 of them. Divided by, this is our favorable, divided by all the choices, and that is, there are 8 choices, but we're just looking at the first 2. And then that reduces to 3 over 14. All right, the other thing, you had this in pre-algebra and geometry, I know. It's called geometric probability. So we have a dartboard, and what is the probability that I will hit the green circle area? Well, it's still this formula. The favorable over the total, so the green circle area over the whole square dartboard. And I just divide those areas. Well, I got to get the area of the green circle. Its radius is 3, area of a circle is pi r squared, cornbread r round. Okay, so that's pi 3 squared, which is 9, or 9 pi. The area of the whole dartboard is a squarish thing, so it's length times width. The side of it, it's actually squared, is 18. So 18 times 18, or 18 squared, is 324. So 9 pi over 324 is 0.1215 approximately. You know, when there's pi in there, it's not a rational number. And so it's about 21%. In reality, no. I'll be lucky to hit the dartboard and not the wall. So it is not 1 out of 5 that I'm hitting the green circle. Not happening, never been good at darts. All right, so look at those examples. Make sure you can do them on your calculator. Have fun. There are some math labs, some calculator labs to go with this. So make sure you look at those too. Come back, and we will talk about probability of compound events. Math is great.